Audis versus RS, which is better? Most people get this wrong, but the comparison between the Audis and RS goes far beyond horsepower numbers. You won't believe how differently these cars feel on the road. The Audis is a full-size luxury performance sedan. It combines a smooth, comfortable ride with a powerful engine producing around 444 horsepower. Its Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures stability and control in various conditions. This also features a refined interior with cutting-edge infotainment, ambient lighting, and spacious seating for 4 adults, making it ideal for daily driving and long trips. The Audi RS is a compact performance powerhouse. Its turbocharged 5-cylinder engine delivers around 400 horsepower, with a thrilling, high-revving experience. The RS is smaller and more agile, making it perfect for spirited driving on twisty roads. Interior space is tighter, but driver-focused ergonomics and sporty touches emphasize performance over luxury. When it comes to handling, the RS excels with its nimble chassis and precise steering, offering a race-inspired feel. This focuses more on grand touring comfort, while still providing dynamic driving capabilities. Fuel efficiency favours the RS slightly due to its smaller size, but overall, both cars are thirstier than average sedans. In conclusion, choose the Audis if you want a luxurious, powerful sedan with space and comfort for long drives. Pick the RS if you crave raw performance, agility and a compact, adrenaline-packed driving experience. Both are impressive, but your choice comes down to luxury versus sport.